Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. In today's class, I am going to explain you some bits in atomic structure chapter. It is the lecture 3. In lecture 1 and lecture 2, I explained you some bits. So you can find the topics in description box. Okay, you can find that link in description box. So now I am going to explain you lecture 3. So in lecture 3, the first bit is, in an element, the number of protons, electrons and neutrons are 8, 8, 8 respectively. So identify the element. Okay. So element 8. What is the atomic number of element 8? So atomic number Z equal to 8. So what is that element? Oxygen. Okay. So oxygen is the correct answer. Okay. The number of electrons and protons and neutrons are 8, 8. So neutrons may vary based on the atomic mass, but electrons and protons, so protons must be constant. So in oxygen the number of protons are definitely 8, so the correct answer is 8. Okay, and then the second bit, which of the following is a pair of isobars? Okay, which of the following is a pair of isobars? So what is isobar? Isobar means atoms with same atomic mass but different atomic numbers. Okay, so elements with different atomic numbers but same mass. Okay, same atomic mass. Here C613 and N713, in these two the atomic mass is same, 13 13, but the atomic numbers are different, so it is the correct answer. Okay, C613 and N713. So in both these cases the atomic mass is same. Okay, but the number of protons and number of electrons are different. Okay, so it is isobar. And the third bit is, the total number of electrons in a nitrogen atom and a chlorine atom are 7 and 17 respectively. Find the number of valence electrons in them. Okay, so what are the valence electrons in nitrogen and chlorine atom? Okay, so the total number of electrons in nitrogen atom, so nitrogen atomic number 7, the bit itself given, and chlorine atomic number 17, that is also given. So what is the question? Find the number of valence electrons in them. Okay, so in nitrogen atom, what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So the total number of electrons are 7. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So how many valence electrons are there? Valence electrons means the outermost shell containing electron. Here the outermost shell is n equal to 2 shell. It contains how many electrons? 5 electrons. Okay, so in nitrogen atom atomic number 7, the total number of electrons are, the total outermost shell electrons are 5. Okay, what about chlorine? What is the electronic configuration of chlorine? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay, what is the outermost shell here? n equal to 3 shell. Okay, 3s2, 3p5. In n equal to 3 shell, how many electrons are there? 7 electrons. Okay, so in nitrogen atom 5 outermost shell electrons are there, and in chlorine atom 7 electrons are there. Okay, so 5 comma 7. So what is the correct answer? 5 comma 7. The number of valence electrons present in nitrogen atom is 5 and the number of valence electrons present in chlorine atom is 7. And then fourth bit, So match the following correctly. So ions, isotopes, ions, isotones. Okay. So ions means charged species. Okay, the element may contain either positive charge or negative charge. So here C is the correct option. So for ions, C, the correct match is C. Okay, and then isotopes. So in the previous bit already I told you. So what are isotopes? Isotopes means atoms of same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, so here the correct answer is B. C612, C613, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Okay, these are isotopes. Isotopes means elements having same atomic number but different mass number. So B is the correct answer. So isotope, the correct match is B. Okay, so and then isobars, not ions, isobars, it is the print mistake. So isobars means in the previous bit I told you, I discussed with you. So isobar means, so see here, C613 and 7N13, these two are isobars. So atoms with different atomic number but same mass number. Okay, these are called isobars. Okay, so here the correct pair is argon 1840, argon 1840 and calcium 2040. Okay, in this these both are having same atomic mass, that means the mass number is same but the atomic numbers are different. Okay, so the correct option is A. And then isotones. Okay, so isotones means, what is isotones? Okay, isotones, so the atoms possess the same number of electrons and protons but differ in atomic number, but differ in the number of neutrons. Okay, here in this pair C614 and oxygen 816. Okay, here these two are different atoms but the number of neutrons are same here, 14 minus 6. Okay, 18, 14 minus 6, 8, 16 minus 8, so 8. Okay, the isotones means the number of neutrons are same. Here C614, so the number of neutrons are 14 minus 6. Mass number minus atomic number equal to neutrons. Okay students, mass number minus atomic number equal to neutrons number, right? So here in oxygen 816, 16 minus 8, the number of neutrons. Okay, 8. So the correct option is D. And then what is the ratio of number of neutrons present in sulfur and potassium? Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and atomic mass of potassium is 39. Okay, so what is the bit here? What is the ratio of number of neutrons present in sulfur and potassium? Okay students, so here the atomic mass of sulfur is 32, atomic mass is given 32, and atomic mass of potassium is 39. Atomic mass of potassium is 39. So what is the atomic number of sulfur? Sulfur atomic number is 16. What is the atomic number of potassium? 19. So in bit, what is the question? What is the ratio of number of neutrons? Okay, so what is the formula for number of neutrons? The formula for number of neutrons equal to atomic mass minus atomic number Z. Okay, here in case of sulfur the number of neutrons are 32 minus 16. Okay, in case of potassium 39 minus 19. Okay, so 32 minus 16 equal to 16 and 39 minus 19 20. So 16 is to 20. 16 is to 20. It is the ratio. 16 is to 20 means 4 is to 5. The correct answer is 4 is to 5. Okay, students. So again I am explaining you in the bit atomic mass of sulfur and atomic mass of potassium is given, and they are asking the number of neutrons present in sulfur and potassium. What is the formula for number of neutrons? Number of neutrons equal to atomic mass minus atomic number. Atomic mass minus atomic number equal to number of neutrons. Okay. So in the case of sulfur, so 32 is the atomic mass already given. So what is the atomic number of sulfur? 16. And potassium, the atomic mass is 39 already given, and the atomic number of potassium is 19. So what is the formula for number of neutrons? Atomic mass minus number of electrons. 32 minus 16, 16. 39 minus 19, 20. So 16, 20. Okay, 16 is to 20. So that means 4 is to 5 is the correct ratio. Okay. So the mass of which of the following fundamental particles is negligible? Okay. So what are fundamental particles? Electrons, protons, neutrons. Okay. Electrons, protons, neutrons are fundamental particles. So in which the less weight is electrons. So the electrons mass is negligible. Okay. So, and the next bit is identify the atomic number corresponding to least number of valence electrons. Okay. So, potassium, how many valence electrons are there? Potassium atomic number is 19. Okay. The first one is 19. So, 19 means potassium. So, what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. It is the argon electronic configuration. 18 plus 1, 19. Okay. So how many valence electrons are there? So the outermost shell is n equal to 4 shell. It contains 1 valence electron. Okay. The valence electrons are 1. And then 15 means phosphorus. Okay, the atomic number of phosphorus is 15. So phosphorus belongs to nitrogen family. So what is the electronic configuration here? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So how many valence number of electrons are there? How many valence electrons are there? 5. Okay. And then what is the, and then 35. 35 means what is that element? Bromine. Okay. So in bromine, what is the electronic configuration? So 35. So argon. So argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p5 is the electronic configuration of bromine. Okay, 35. It belongs to halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. The bromine atomic number is 35. So the valence electrons are 7. And then 34. 34 means what is that element? Selenium. So what is the electronic configuration? 34. So argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p4. How many valence electrons are here? 6. So here in case of potassium the valence electrons are 1. In case of phosphorus the valence electrons are 5. And in case of bromine 35 the valence electrons are 7. And in case of selenium the valence electrons are 6. So identify the atomic number corresponding to least number of electrons. So least number of electrons means here 1. So the correct answer is A, 19. Okay, potassium having least number of valence electrons. And then the 8th bit is the atoms of the same element may differ in the number of. So atoms of the same element, that means isotopes. Okay, isotopes means 1H1. What are the examples for isotopes? 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, C612, C613. Okay, these are the atoms of same elements but differ in number of neutrons. Okay, here the atomic number is same, so the number of protons are same, number of electrons are same. So what is the how can we differentiate them? In case of number of neutrons, here the number of neutrons are 0, here the number of neutrons are 1, here the number of neutrons are 2. Number of neutrons means mass number minus atomic number. Okay, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 12 minus 6, 13 minus 6. So always the atoms of the same element may differ in the number of neutrons. So the correct answer is neutrons. And then, so here the element X816, X817 represent. Okay, so just now I explained you. So these are the atomic numbers of same elements. So 8 means atomic number is same, but these two are vary with mass number 16 and 17. So such type of elements are called isotopes. Isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. Which of the following particles is largely responsible for the chemical behavior of elements? Okay, so for the chemical behavior of elements, electrons are responsible, not protons and neutrons. Okay, so always basing on the electrons number only the chemical behavior changes. Okay, so Na plus, K plus, like that, Mg2 plus, La plus. Here the electrons varies from element to element. Okay, in the same element itself electrons varies by removing electrons or by gaining electrons. So the chemical behavior of elements always change with electrons number. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching. Thank you.